Greater Greenville area Realtors. This is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor based out of North Texas, but I'm going to be joining you on February 2nd for a powerful day that's going to improve your business. And the bonus part, the whole day has now been CE approved for the state of South Carolina. So definitely want to join us. We're going to start the morning with the Realtors AI Playbook. I'm going to show you the ins and out of using ChatGPT, AI, lead magnet mastery techniques, tons of different avenues for you to build and grow your business with AI. And the best part is you can bring your laptop, bring your tablet, and start to apply a lot of these elements right there in the class. We'll then take our lunch break. We're going to come back with probably one of the most powerful classes that I teach, and that is Become Google Great. I'm going to walk you through some tools that the record for 1 year was an extra $500,000 added to the bottom line for one business. You definitely do not want to miss this day. It is going to be very, very impactful for you. Now, if you want the CE, you can join us in person. There is a Zoom option to where you can join us as well. No CE on the Zoom, but if you can't make it in that day, you absolutely can join us via Zoom. So I look forward to seeing you guys very soon in Greenville, South Carolina. Thanks.